Hello and welcome, finance adventurers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of turning debt into wealth? You're at the right place. Today we're not just talking about managing debt, we're going to flip the script and show you how to make debt work for you, leading to incredible financial growth. From understanding the difference between good and bad debt to mastering the art of tax optimization, we have a treasure trove of strategies waiting for you. And wait till you hear about the 30% rule. It's a game changer that can transform your financial landscape. But here's the best part. We'll unveil a secret weapon used by the financially savvy to multiply their wealth. This isn't just for the millionaires, it's for anyone who wants to take control of their financial destiny. Stick around till the end, because each minute of this video is packed with value that could redefine your approach to money. Don't miss out on our bonus tips that could be the key to unlocking your financial success. So grab your notepad and let's dive in. If you're excited to learn these life-changing financial strategies, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let's transform your financial world together. Ready? Let's get started. It's crucial to grasp various types of loans. We have secured loans like vehicle loans or home mortgages, which are linked to an asset you own. And there's unsecured loans, such as credit cards or personal loans, which don't require collateral. Each kind has its unique risks and benefits. Understanding them aids in wiser decisions. When tackling loan repayment, prioritize those with high interest. These can accumulate rapidly and become a major issue. Clearing these first helps you save on interest, freeing up cash for other aims. Before we delve into profiting from loans, let's debunk some common loan myths. So let's tackle a major misconception in personal finance: the negative image of loans. Loans are often seen as financial burdens with endless interest charges. However, not all loans are detrimental. Prepare to challenge these misconceptions and discover the positive aspects of loans. Let's explore an exciting area: real estate. Investing in real estate can be an effective use of beneficial loans. By acquiring property through a mortgage, you're essentially using the bank's funds to enhance your wealth. How? Owning property that may appreciate in value over time, and if you rent it out, the rental income could cover the mortgage and more. But it's not about reckless borrowing. Always approach loans with caution and a solid strategy. Smart use of loans can significantly aid in achieving your financial objectives. So when you hear someone say all loans are harmful, you'll know that's not accurate. Used wisely and with proper planning, loans can be instrumental in financial advancement. Next, we'll explore a useful tactic to leverage loans for tax savings and increased income. The topic of taxes can intimidate even the financially astute. Imagine toiling all year, but come tax season it feels like your funds just disappear. Now's the time to take control of your tax situation and learn the strategies for effective tax optimization. What is tax optimization? It's about handling your finances in a way that minimizes your taxes. This means following laws but ensuring you don't overpay. Firstly, understand how loans impact your taxes. Some loans, like home mortgages, can reduce your taxable income because of the interest you pay. Also consider smart investing. Placing money in retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs can offer tax benefits, such as deferred taxes or tax-free withdrawals, reducing your current and future taxable income. However, holding an investment for over a year often means a lower tax rate on those gains. Time your investment sales right to benefit from lower tax rates, reducing your tax bill. Explore every tax break available, like those for education, home ownership, or energy-efficient home upgrades. A smart step: consult a tax expert. They can navigate the complexities of taxes and find the best savings for your situation. Tax optimization is about staying informed, especially about tax law changes, to adapt your strategy and maximize savings. Now let's explore smart financial management, specifically good debt versus bad debt. Understanding the difference between good and bad debt can be key to profiting from debt. If you're enjoying this video and want more, just comment more below. Now, let's break down good debt and bad debt to guide you towards smart financial decisions and the road to wealth. Let's embark on this enlightening journey. Imagine you have two credit cards, one with a high interest rate and the other with a low rate and great benefits. Which would you choose? This decision is your first step in distinguishing good debt from bad debt. Good debt is an investment in your future, like borrowing for things that increase in value or generate income. For example, education. Investing in a degree or special training is good debt. It enhances your skills and future earning potential. Starting a business. It's risky, but can lead to significant financial growth. Using debt wisely to kickstart your business can open up lucrative opportunities. On the flip side, bad debt often leads to financial stress. It's typically associated with purchases that quickly lose value or are not necessary. For instance, using high-interest credit cards for impulsive shopping, luxury vacations, or frequent expensive dining can become a financial burden. So, how do we differentiate between good and bad debt? Simply put, good debt increases your net worth while bad debt decreases it. What about car loans or home loans? Are they good or bad debt? These are important questions to consider. Car loans. They're a bit complex. Cars depreciate, but you might need one for essential purposes. The key is finding a balance between necessity and affordability. The main idea is to approach debt with a strategic mindset, focusing on opportunities that enhance your financial growth and avoiding those that can hinder it. If the car loan is affordable and the car is practical, it can be considered good debt, but be wary of spending on luxury cars that depreciate quickly. Regarding mortgages and home ownership, it can be viewed as a smart investment and thus good debt. However, the real estate market is unpredictable and owning a home doesn't guarantee financial gain. Sometimes renting and investing elsewhere could be more beneficial, so think long-term when considering a mortgage. Now let's unveil a smart approach to making money from debt, the 30% rule. This strategy is transformative. Prepare for a groundbreaking concept that turns debt into a profit-making tool, the 30% rule. Imagine you're earning a steady income and want to use debt to build wealth. The 30% rule helps you determine how much debt you can sustain while progressing financially. Think of it as a financial navigator guiding you towards success. Why 30%? This ratio strikes an ideal balance between managing debt effectively and allowing room for profitable ventures. If a large portion of your income is dedicated to debt repayments, you'll have little left for savings, investments, or unexpected expenses. It's akin to biking uphill without gears, strenuous and challenging. The 30% rule ensures that only up to 30% of your monthly income is used for debt repayments, leaving 70% for living expenses, emergency savings, and investments. It's about harmonizing financial obligations with growth opportunities. To illustrate, let's look at John, an aspiring entrepreneur with a business idea but lacking funds. John employed the 30% rule to determine the maximum they could allocate for debt repayments. By doing so, John secured a loan within this limit. More importantly, John smartly invested part of the remaining 70% in marketing and expanding their business. John excellently managed their debt, adhering to the 30% rule, which propelled their business to success and profitability. But John didn't stop there. With the business flourishing, they ventured into real estate, buying a property to rent out. Remarkably, the rental income covered the mortgage and generated extra profit. By faithfully following the 30% rule and judiciously employing debt, John created multiple income streams and built wealth. You might wonder, is the 30% rule always effective? It's a valuable guideline, but real success hinges on making informed choices, researching thoroughly, and balancing risks and rewards. The 30% rule is a tool aiding in sound financial decisions and enhancing the likelihood of profiting from debt. On your financial journey, consider the 30% rule as a compass guiding you towards fiscal prosperity. Now let's delve into another concept favored by the affluent, leveraging opportunity cost. We'll examine how this strategy can be used to profit from debt. Opportunity cost is a crucial concept in finance, and we'll simplify it for you. It's about evaluating the potential gains and losses of different financial choices. Imagine you've saved some money and are debating between buying a house outright or opting for a mortgage. The wealthy often have a strategic approach in such scenarios, utilizing opportunity cost to enhance their wealth. Opportunity cost is essential, what you forego when choosing one option over another. For instance, if you use your savings for a lavish holiday, the opportunity cost might be not investing that money in a potentially profitable venture. It's about questioning what could be if you pursued a different path. Consider how the affluent apply opportunity cost in real estate. Take a millionaire named John, who has the cash to purchase an expensive home outright. However, John opts for a mortgage with a low 1% interest rate instead. Why? Let's uncover the reasoning. John understands that by not tying up all his savings in the house, he can invest elsewhere. With a low mortgage rate, it's wiser to allocate the remaining funds to investments with potentially higher returns, akin to sowing seeds for future wealth. While many aim to pay off their homes, John diversifies his investments. His money isn't idle, it's generating more income, thereby increasing his total wealth. Though his house will appreciate over time, the gains from his diverse investments might outpace it. This approach is a savvy financial maneuver, leading to substantial growth. You might think that works for John, but what about me? Good news, you don't need to be a millionaire. The key is to consider the opportunity cost of each financial decision. Remember, this video is for educational purposes, not investment advice. Always research and consult financial experts before major financial decisions. Investment values fluctuate, and past success isn't a guarantee of future returns. Consider your risk tolerance and goals before investing. Curious about assets that can generate income? Watch our next video. Share this one, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to your investing success. Profitable investing.